Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to smelt copper in vintage story. First, you need to gather the essential materials. Begin by locating copper ore veins, which are often found in rock layers underground. Use a pickaxe to mine the raw copper ore. Additionally, you will need to collect some clay, typically found near water sources like riverbeds or lakeshores, to craft your smelting vessel. Next, prepare your smelting setup. Craft a clay crucible by placing 3 units of clay in a crafting grid. This vessel will hold your ore. Then, dig a fire pit directly into the ground. Once your fire pit is ready, add a sufficient amount of fuel, such as sticks, peat, or charcoal, to ensure a long-lasting and hot fire for the smelting process. Now, let's begin the actual smelting. Place your clay crucible, filled with the raw copper ore, directly into the prepared fire pit. Once the crucible is in place, ignite the fuel in the fire pit. You will need to maintain the fire, adding more fuel as needed, until the copper ore inside the crucible completely melts into a molten liquid. This takes some time. Finally, it's time to retrieve your smelted copper. Carefully pour the molten copper from the crucible into a prepared mold, such as an ingot mold. Allow the copper to cool and solidify completely within the mold. Once cooled, you will have a usable copper ingot. These ingots are essential for crafting various tools, weapons, and armor in vintage story, advancing your survival.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.